here. Actually, I'll manage my keybinds for a hot second.
Allied troops targeting Bravo 1.
Try to kill a seagull.
Man, the sound this thing makes is so satisfying.
I don't know. Can we maybe get like flashless propellant for our tank or something? Man, I can't see after we fire a shot. It's just like nothing.
It is cool though. I like having a tank crew is probably one of the coolest things, because like, you know, the driver is the driver, and then you have like the secondary guys be the gunner and repairman. So when like the tank gets hit,
it's touching down.
Oh, is it? Oh yeah. Okay. Also, apparently there is a vehicle boost if you hold shift.
Yeah, I noticed that on the Cybertruck. It actually makes a difference. Whoa.
All right, let's see what happens. Oh God. Oh, I can't move. It like lifted me up for a second. Okay, we took some damage. Wait, can we Sundance? Let's hop out.
Yeah. Holy shit!
Oh my God!
That is like
that's
terrifying.
It's so scary.
I don't remember that from the beta.
No, that was really spooky.
Look at the map, dude. What the fuck? You know what I'm thinking? Spawn B2, Sundance.
B2, okay.
Yeah. Can I use this cable?
I think this one right here, on me.
Oh.
And then I guess we get to the top of this and then jump.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, you're right. Yeah, if you press S, you go up. Oh God.
Oh my God.
This is so sick.
Holy shit.
Okay, I'm getting the hang of Sundance now.
All right, I'm going to A. I'm going to A1.
Okay, I'm with you.
Oh my
no,
God.
I'm
stuck in the track field, man.
I'm still sucked in. Okay, I think I can get out of it now. All right, I'm heading to A1. Oh my God, I look so tiny. My screen's so zoomed out. Oh, looks like we got it. All right, I'm flying back to the tornado.
Oh my God, man. Sundance is so sweet. What the fuck?
And apparently they are non-binary.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Good for them.
This is so cool. Oh God. Oh, I'm
no,
stalling.
No, there's some dudes in a fucking tank firing at me. Once you get into the epicenter of it, it's like a Peter Pan.
Mm-hmm. Okay, where are we headed? Oh, I'm gonna drop on B1.
Okay.
Oh, that's so sick! I just saw you fly through.
Oh my God.